How are you? Fine. Oh, I'm also fine. Thank you so much. Okay, do you remember what we learned in the last class? Yes? Correct. Lesson number 10, letter J. Very good. J for jet. J sound is J. J. Okay. Now, see children, we will revise letter J very fast. Okay. Say, capital J, small j, capital J, small j, 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 jelly, J, J, jogging, J, J, jug, J, J, jet. Okay, once again. J, J, jelly, J, J, jog, J, J, jug, J, J, jet. Very good. Now, today we are going to learn new topic, new letter, that is lesson number 11. Lesson number 11, K, kite. Okay? K for kite. Got that? Before learning our new topic, we will say the phonic sound. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, you are always ready for that. Yes? You enjoy the phonic sound, no? Phonic sounds you enjoy, no? Yes. So let's say the phonic sound. Start. 1, 2, 3. A. Now you will say A. Okay. A. B. B. C. K. D. D. E. Very good. A. F. G. Very good. G. H. H. I. Very good. E. J. J. K. Very good. K sound is K. L. L. M. N. O. Very good. O. R. P. P. Q. Very good. Q. R. R. S. Very good. T. Yes. T. U. Correct. U sound is A. V. W. W. And W. X sound is very good. X. Y. Yes. Y. Z. Correct. Z. Very good children. Very good. Mom is too happy. Okay. So let's clap for ourselves. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Very good children. Mom is too happy. Okay. Now we will see our chapter 11, that is letter K. Capital K, small k, capital K, small k, mama K, baby K. Mama and baby look same, no? Yes, but there is difference while writing. We will see that. Before that, we will just see the picture. pictures related to letter K. Okay, ready for that? Very good. Mama K, baby K. Mama K, baby K. Capital K, small k. Okay. K, cattle. K, cattle. Say after me. K. Very good. K, cattle. Now, K, king. K, king. Say. Very good. K, kite. K, kite. Very good. K, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. Say. Very good, very good. Very good, children. K, cattle. K, king. K, kite. K, kangaroo. Okay. Now, do you know the animal kangaroo? Yes. It has a pouch. Okay. It has a bag. Okay. Where it keeps its baby. Okay, you know that. Very good. Kangaroo jumps now. Can you jump like a kangaroo? So let's jump with me like a kangaroo. Ready for that? Stand up. Very good. Show me your hands like this. Ready for the jump? K for kangaroo. Ready for kangaroo jump. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Great. Very good. Very good. Now we will see how to write letter K. Capital K and small k. Okay. Before this, we will do the revision of letter J. Letter J. Okay. After J comes letter K. Okay. So, look here. I know you know that, but then also we will revise it. Okay. See what we have to do. Now you tell me. Yesterday only we have learned that, no? In next class we have learned that, no? Previous class. So, just see here. Standing line. Now, yes, what we have to do? Yes, just take turn and go up and just draw a sleeping line. What's this? Mama or baby? Yes, it's Mama J. It's Mama J. Now small j. While writing Mama J, we are using the upper 3 lines. But while writing small j, that is baby j, we have to use the lower 3 lines. Lower, niche ke, okay? So, now while writing baby j, what we have to do? We have to keep our pencil on this blue line. Yes? Then? Yes, correct. Then we have to give one standing line. Very good, children. Then just take turn and go up. Yes? Both look same now? But there is a difference. We will see it afterwards. Okay? Now give one dot. But the dot should be above the standing line between this blue and red line. Got that? Good. Now see what we did. While writing capital J, we have used upper 3 lines. Which lines? Very good. Upper 3 lines. While writing baby J, what we did? We used lower 3 lines. Which lines? Lower 3 lines. Now, see what we have to do. Again we will practice letter J. Sleeping line, standing line, take turn and go up. Otherwise, standing line, take turn and give sleeping line. Okay. Then standing line, take turn, go up and give one dot. Okay. That is Mama J, baby J, capital J, small j. Got that? Now it's turn to learn our new letter, that is letter K. Letter K. K sound is K. Now we will see how to write that. Okay. Now capital K. We will learn capital. We will learn how to write capital K. Standing line. Okay. Then slanting line. Okay. And again touch this middle portion, blue line, and then again come down and touch the blue line. Okay. Standing line, slanting line, and touch the blue line. It's center point. Then again come and start from this blue line and come down. Isn't it easy? Yes, it's too easy. So, standing line, slanting line, and again one slanting line. Okay. Now, you have your note. Now we will learn how to write small k. Okay? See, while writing small k, we have to use lower 3 lines. Okay? Now, standing line. Now we have to start from this blue line. See, slanting line and again one slanting. See the difference? While writing capital K, you have to use 3 lines. But here also we are using 3 lines. But the slanting lines are between this blue lines. Slanting lines are between this blue lines. Okay? Standing line, slanting line, slanting line, standing line. Yes? Then touch the blue line. Come down. Okay? Then again do like this. Slanting line. Yes? Very good. Again we will try. Okay? Just keep your pencil on this red line. Very good. You have your notebook with you, no? Yes. Pencil. Everything is ready? Yes. Then standing line. Okay? Then slanting line. From the blue line you have to take slanting line. And again touch the blue line. Yes? Standing line. Slanting line. Yes, again slanting line. Isn't it easy? Very good. Yes, you like to write K, no? Yes, it's fun to write letter K. Yes? Yes. Now again we will write. Okay? Standing line. Now what I have to do? Yes? Keep the pencil on the blue line. Just draw a slanting line. Then again slanting line and touch the blue line. It's too easy. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line. Yes, we have completed our letter K. Now you are able to write letters, capital letter K and small letter K. Yes, no? Yes. Very good, children. Clap for yourself. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we can write capital K as well as small k. Keep practicing that. Bye children. Have a nice